The drive within the construction industry to cut waste, reduce CO2 emissions and conserve resources is gathering pace. At the top of the construction materials agenda is the issue of recycling. The PVC industry is highly regulated and provides us with the basis for some of the most thermally efficient, secure and low-maintenance building products available today. Increasing numbers of old PVC products and single-glazed windows are now being replaced with these improved performance products. And a common misconception is that old PVC cannot be recycled. Nothing is further from the truth. PVC is fully recyclable, and Decora is at the forefront of recycling PVC in the UK. The company has been processing increasingly significant volumes of post-industrial PVC waste offcuts from window and door manufacturers for over a decade. We can see the offcuts being loaded into crates, ready for collection and delivery to our size reduction plants. Now, with major investment in infrastructure and equipment, we have developed a unique, dedicated post-consumer waste recycling service. We can provide specially developed green trolleys that can be loaded with old deglazed windows and PVC products ready to be made into the next generation of products. Once the waste material has been collected, it is delivered to our unique post-consumer waste facility and our recycling process begins. The frames are fed into Titan, which reduces them to coarse fractions of PVC and metal. The metal separation process then removes the majority of ferrous and non-ferrous fragments, which go for independent recycling. The PVC fraction can then be manually rough sorted for primary contaminants before granulation into a regular chip form. As granulate, the PVC is then subjected to a further cleaning and purification operation. Firstly, fine particles of PVC and debris are removed, followed by a more rigorous metal separation process, which removes the vast majority of remaining metals. The next process removes non-PVC materials. These include other plastics as well as wood, gasket materials, and larger pieces of debris such as mortar and silicone. Following this, white PVC content can be extracted to retain the maximum benefit back into building products. At each stage, the byproducts can be used for other building-related applications, minimizing materials once destined for landfill. The resulting granulate is now much cleaner and ready for conversion into a pre-extrusion form. One option is to grind the granulate down into a powder. This is sieved to control the particle size for uniform powder density, ideal for high-volume extrusion. Alternatively, we have developed a pelletizing process which allows the granulate to be filtered as a melt to remove the finest of contamination that may be left. The resulting pellet is both clean and extrusion friendly. Additives and pigments can be added to give consistent color and processing, allowing our recycled PVC to be converted into a finished building product. Bulk bags of finished pellets or powder are now ready for shipment to the extrusion operations. We can now see the extrusion plants making a central strengthening profile for windows from our 100% recycled material. This window and door insert is now used in the majority of finished products instead of the traditional aluminium profile. You can also see extrusion of cavity closers that use 100% recycled materials for use in new build homes. The strengthening profile and cavity closer have both been approved by RAP, the government industry approvals body, as environmentally efficient products. In fact, we have taken the production a stage further and produced a 100% recycled window using separated white fractions, which we believe is the future for all PVC building products. The start of this video saw old PVC windows being taken out of Liverton Court tower block in Manchester for recycling. Here, we now see our recycled windows being installed in Corris Avenue, just a stone's throw away. The replacement of the existing windows on these 14 properties with a new generation of energy-efficient and low-maintenance PVC-U products that are manufactured from 100% post-consumer waste has allowed Northwoods Housing Association to close the loop on the recycling process. This project, the first in the UK, forms part of the Housing Association's commitment to minimise the environmental impact on its estate management and maintenance activity. And it's not just windows and doors. The group also extrude many different products using some form of recycled content, such as these rainwater products. Throughout the whole process, we offer advice on how best to recycle and how we can help you achieve your goal. You can save time and money and ensure you stay green compliant throughout by using our unique, fully closed loop manufacturing of PVC products.